Hello everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can tag all the persons in a Facebook group when you post something. So if you want to add a new post on your Facebook group and you want to tag all the person at once, this is what you have to do. First of all, hit this icon with the three lines at the top right corner and then go to the group section. And right here at your groups you can select the group that you want to add that post to. So I'm just going to select a random group right here and I'm going to add a new post for the sake of this video, just to show an example. Okay, so right here I'm going to choose a background. So what I'm going to do after that, after I just type in the text that I want to post, I am just going for to tag some person. So the most important thing right here is that you are the admin of the group. In this example, I'm not the admin of the group that I want to make the post. But what you have to do after you insert this post right here, you will select the add icon right here. And when this shows up, this list of your friends shows up, or the person you want to tag in, the first option for you will be everyone. So just remember you have to insert this add icon and then select the first option, everyone, so you can tag everyone from the group right here. So remember, this option will only be available to you if you are the admin of the group. If you are not the admin of the group, you cannot do that. So this is all for today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.